All right, everybody, Bryce here, coming at you with yet another real quick crypto market update. Happy holidays. Hope everyone had a good one. I know I sure did. I was with my family, my fiance. We had a great time celebrating. And especially, beyond celebrating just the holiday, we were celebrating a fantastic price rise in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all sorts of DeFi tokens, right? It was a fantastic holiday season for the cryptos. Very illiquid kind of time in the traditional markets, as many markets are shut down in the traditional world. But guess what? Crypto never sleeps, and had a very good holiday season. Many assets were up 30, 40, 50%. Some assets up over 100%. Looking at just the DeFi Pulse Index. The DeFi Pulse Index is an index that tracks a handful, 10, 15 DeFi coins, and that was up 35% over the course of the last 10 days. And so what's happening, right? I want us all to remember this time last year, okay? This time last year, Bitcoin had a tremendous move. In fact, it moved 100% in 23 days, okay? But from December 16th to January 7th or something like that, there was a 23-day period where Bitcoin doubled. Okay. And then after that, there was a 3-month period when it went up 50%. So we're in this same sort of territory where if BTC doubled from here, it'd take us to $100,000 per coin. And guess what? Just the next 23 days. And that happened this time last year, right? When Bitcoin doubled its market cap. And then 3 months after that, another 50%, that would take us to 150K. So I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying it's within the realm of possibility. It's always helpful to frame percentage moves of price, kind of frame them in a time period, right? Knowing that something like Bitcoin, as big as it is, can double in just a month, right? It is pretty insane to think about. And so I want you guys to remember that, again, this holiday season has been tremendous with price, but I think that we're going to have a huge amount of capital inflows into the entire ecosystem, basically where these closed-ended mutual funds, where they kind of bring on capital once a year. They start trading on the first of the year. They close their books at the end of the year. And so all this new capital needs to find a place in the market, right? And I very, very strongly think that they're going to be deploying to the crypto markets. I think the entire world of asset allocators, right? I think they're underexposed to crypto. And so I think even just, big pension fund putting in 1%, right? That moves the market because of how small crypto still is. So looking both ways as I jet across the street here. That guy's speeding up. I think he's doing that to spite me. But regardless, anyhow, I'm excited about where the market is at, and things are looking bright. I think that at the end of the day, the one thing I want you guys to remember is that the markets really do come down to asset selection, right? So you want to be able to, have the best assets, right? You want to be able to find the assets that are the most valuable and over the long run, right? Because the game is about buying these coins when they are in corrections like we're in right now. Buying the coins that are in the correction, and once kind of the dust settles and the trend resumes back up, the ones that are the fundamentally most valuable, they get the bid first and they move the strongest and hardest. And so, you really want to be paying attention during times like these. You really, really, really want to be paying attention during times like these. During these corrections, because the smart money, they move fast, right? They move fast and they move to the best assets. So if you are enjoying crypto so far, I encourage you to stick around for just a bit longer because it's going to get a whole lot better. I think, and if you've had a bad run at crypto for the past couple months, stick around because it's going to get a whole lot better. These markets in January, I think there's this effect called the January effect, where basically the way that businesses prepare their income statements causes them to hold back new investments essentially until January, right? They're trying to lower their profits in December, and they kind of reserve their new investments for January and early in the year. So historically, we've seen January just be a tremendous month for stocks. And you know, guys, stocks and crypto are very correlated. And January has been a pretty good month for crypto historically too. So I'm excited. And with that being said, guys, that's your market update. And now, if you're not already subscribed to a service where you could get, you know, live updates, live analysis, live streams, right? Newsletters with price targets, sell zones, buy zones, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, a community of over 10,000 crypto traders all around the world, guys. If that sounds interesting and you don't already have something like that, well, guess what? It's your lucky day, because for just $1, you can get a 2-week trial, okay? So hit that button below. It's that orange button. And if you hit that orange button below, you unlock everything we got, right? You unlock the wealth of our knowledge, and it's just $1 for a 2-week trial. And we really, really would love to see you in there. All right, well, happy trading. And again, orange button below, $1, 2 weeks. Come and see.